In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Docusign. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or simply need a quick refresher, this guide will help get you where you need to be. It's a straightforward process, but let's take it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's begin by heading over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and entering docusign.com into the address bar. As you arrive on the homepage, you'll notice that Docusign is prominently known as the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. You can see why so many people trust this tool to handle their important documents. Once the homepage has loaded, you should look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll spot the login button. It's usually easy to find and stands out a bit to help users access their accounts effortlessly. So let's go ahead and click on that button. Now that you've clicked the login button, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll see a login screen appear, prompting you to input your email address and password. Take a moment to carefully type these details, as accuracy is key here. Avoid rushing, as any small mistake can lead to issues with logging in. If you're having difficulty recalling your password, don't worry. Docusign has a convenient forgot password option that you can use to reset it. Just click the link and follow the instructions provided. Once you've entered your email and password, take a quick scan of what you've typed to ensure everything is correct. Then click on the login button right below those fields. This will initiate the login process. At this point, Docusign will authenticate your credentials. If everything matches up, you'll soon find yourself on your Docusign dashboard. Here, you have access to a suite of tools aimed at managing your agreements efficiently. This dashboard is your launching pad, where you can not only sign documents but also track, send, and manage them. In rare cases, you might encounter login issues. If this happens, don't worry. Double check your internet connection and make sure all your details are correct. Alternatively, if you're still facing challenges, reaching out to Docusign's dedicated customer support can provide additional assistance. That wraps up our guide on logging into Docusign. Remember, the process is simple, but it's essential that we pay attention to the details to avoid any hiccups. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident logging into Docusign to handle your document needs. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.